Setting up shipping on Shopify is a crucial step in creating a seamless and efficient online store experience for your customers. To begin, navigate to the shipping settings in your Shopify admin panel. This can be found under the Settings menu, where you will see the option for shipping. First, you need to set up your shipping zones, which determine the different regions you ship to and the corresponding rates. You can add multiple shipping zones, each with its own set of shipping rates and options. For example, you may have separate zones for domestic and international shipping. Next, you will need to configure your shipping rates. Shopify offers several options for calculating shipping rates, including weight-based rates, price-based rates, and carrier-calculated rates. Weight-based rates charge customers based on the weight of their order, while price-based rates charge based on the total cost of the order. Carrier-calculated rates use the rates provided by shipping carriers such as USPS, UPS, and FedEx. To set up carrier-calculated rates, you will need to connect your Shopify store to your shipping carrier account. This will allow Shopify to retrieve the most up-to-date rates from the carrier and apply them to your customers' orders. You can also set up custom shipping rates for specific products or orders, which can be useful for items that have unique shipping requirements. Another important aspect of shipping on Shopify is packaging. You can set up multiple packaging options, each with its own dimensions and weight capacity. This allows you to accurately calculate shipping rates and ensure that your products are shipped safely and efficiently. Finally, you can also set up shipping labels and packaging slips to make the shipping process easier and more efficient. Shopify integrates with several shipping carriers, allowing you to print shipping labels and packaging slips directly from your Shopify admin panel. By following these steps and configuring your shipping settings, you can create a streamlined and efficient shipping process that enhances the overall customer experience. Remember to regularly review and update your shipping settings to ensure that they remain accurate and competitive, and to take advantage of any new features or options that Shopify may offer.